Respondus Informative have teamed up to provide you with the power to quickly and easily create secure testing environments with just a few clicks. To prevent students from opening new tabs, screen capturing images, or potentially sharing answers with others. If your school or district has purchased the Respondus Lockdown Browser add-on, you should have received the Lockdown Browser application file for download onto the student devices. When assigning a formative using Respondus Lockdown Browser mode, go to the Assign tab. Select which classes you would like to assign the formative to, then go to Adjust Settings. Select your preferred settings, and under Secure Exam Browser mode, select Respondus Lockdown Browser. Then, assign your formative. When students open the formative assigned as a Respondus Lockdown Browser mode, they will see a prompt to open the Lockdown browser. If your students have not yet downloaded the file, they will see a prompt to download the Respondus Lockdown browser file before being able to enter the formative. Any applications running in the background that need to be shut off will produce a prompt to shut down the application, and then the Lockdown browser will launch the formative. Students can still utilize the links and embedded materials you may have added for the formative in Lockdown Browser mode. If a student tries to open a link that is beyond what you have added to the formative, they will receive a notification that the tab was blocked. As students answer a formative using the Respondus Lockdown Browser, they can still send and receive messages to and from their instructor as they answer the formative, and responses still come in live, enabling you to act on real-time data from a secure testing environment.